And this is Amos, and I want to share a bit of my creativity with you. What you are seeing is a TV game I'm developing using a powerful 3D animation platform called the Blender and a game engine called Unreal Engine 5. The game, The Deep, is an adaptation of one of my best-selling novels called Let There Be Earth. It's an ocean world ruled by mermaids and beastly creatures that haunt the mermaids on every corner of the deep, despite the tribal wars between the 4 tribes of mermaid. The book, of course, has an African theme, and so is the game. You can get the story on Amazon.com. I created the lead character Ginika on Blender, and I have successfully exported her to Unreal Engine 5. As you can see, I've added swimming features such that she can swim in all directions, dodge, and jump over predators. I am currently designing other characters and will soon bring them together into the Unreal Engine 5. Upon completion, it will be a whole saga in beautiful sceneries in a vast ocean world that knew no land. I share this piece with you. Perhaps you have similar skills and would like to synergize with me in building the enterprise called The Deep. Perhaps your skill is in 3D animation using Blender or C++, or you are flexible in the use of Blueprint in Unreal Engine and game publishing. If you have watched this video this far, it means you believe in the power of creativity and could promote this attempt by hitting the like button, share, and follow to help it reach other creative minds who might want to participate. I'll be coming online perhaps on a monthly basis or maybe weekly to publish my progress until the game is launched in 2026. The game environment will be this beautiful, yet gnashing and biting by beasts will be unprecedented, like you've never seen before. And the enmity between the tribes of mermaid, according to the book, the Azu, will bring in the human combat factor which you expect in every game. And by beastly creatures, I don't mean sharks and hippopotamus, I mean creatures you've never seen before. And before I forget, there will be no creature on foot because the story predates land and of course humans and creatures that walk on land. Thank you.